Next up, this guy. His company also offered a $29 deal, but after a quick look around, that $29 deal went way up.
It's gonna be $235.40.
This time, we told him to go ahead and do the job. He lugged this huge vacuum into the house. When I'm out of sight, our experts say he's not doing much at all on the second floor.
The vacuum should be on, it's not even on.
In this room, he doesn't even pull off the vent. He just sprays the dust with compressed air.
If there's a lot of dust and stuff in there, it's going all over the room.
And up in the attic, he barely does a thing, just waves his air compressor wand for a second.
And just wiggled at the wand in there like he was cleaning it. It didn't do anything. The vacuum's been off the whole time.
But when he came downstairs in front of me, it was a different story. He brings out the brushes and the big vacuum and seems to be doing a good job.
Do you have to do this with every vent?
After he packed up all his equipment, it was time to ask a few questions.
I'm not really the homeowner. My name's Lisa Guerrero with Inside Edition. Did you actually clean everything you said you were supposed to clean?
He was in no mood to stick around.
Did you just rip me off?